If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Oh my gosh, what just happened here? Luna Classic, such a stupid coin you are. This is known as the long and the short squeeze, okay? Take the people who are actually bearish, take the people who are actually bullish. Very simple, okay? Told you, manipulated coin. It's the worst coin for trading. The nominees and the winner goes to Luna Classic. If you had a nominee for the worst trading coin ever, the shittiest market maker ever, the shittiest coin ever, but it doesn't win a contender for a bad long-term investment. It doesn't win that, but it does certainly win the worst coin of trading in all of cryptocurrencies. And by the way, speaking of trading, you see, I told you about the monthly. People don't pay attention to candlesticks. I told you that I don't know what's going on in the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, but one thing was clear to me. The monthly does have a clue. And if you look at the monthly, number one, let me go back to the daily time frame. And first thing is first, you have destroyed an inverse head and shoulder. It's out, it's over, it's finished. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, invalidated. Okay? Absolutely invalidated. And if somehow you end up coming above 21,000, I think it's going to be a very big push to the upside. If you ever see Luna Classic making all the way to 21,000 and hold above 21,000, you're looking for 34,000 and 33,000 as your next technical target. Let's get that one out of the way. And I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon because EMAs are making the bear cross. You have the bear cross of the EMAs once again. And you did try to get above the EMAs, now you're back below the EMAs, you've destroyed the right shoulder. This is not good, guys, this is not good. But I'm still looking for an oversold level on the RSI for Luna Classic. So that means one thing, that if Luna Classic ends up coming to this lowest part of the trend line, which is 27.36 on a daily time frame, that would be an amazing place to buy again on a day trade. This is the only best time to maybe try to get some trading opportunities on a daily time frame. That would be amazing. I will try to see if I can catch something down here as well, if and only if we do come down to that line over there. But unfortunately, it seems like on a monthly we have started to put in something like this. Now, of course, you have 27 days to close March, and we already have a very big shock to the downside, a push to the downside, and this does look like you're trying to break out of the flag. But unfortunately, we have to wait for the whole month to confirm if this is going to be the break of a bear flag or not. Because if you look at it this way, you have Luna Classic trying to break, and if you try to end up closing near 13,000 like this, you might end up closing at 13,000, go back up to 16,000 at the moment. And let me tell you the game plan, okay? This is important. Let me tell you the game plan. By the time you come down to maybe 13,000 or 12,000 by the end of the month, okay? By the end of the month, and you make a bearish closing, you end up closing red for March, okay? Equally, that means that on the daily time frame, all you're doing is, on the RSI, if you come up to 13,000 again, that's your oversold level. Now let me tell you this. You come down like this, 12,000, this one comes down like that. One trading opportunity, and remember on the monthly that this is your support, which is going to turn into resistance of the flag. And I hope this makes sense. And when you come down here, maybe you get a little bit of a Luna Classic at 12,668, and then you make that small trade because you're already oversold, right? You're already oversold and you're right at the support of the RSI. And then you go back for the retest of this bear flag, you make 25% trade. Does it make sense? In April, you go back up like this and you make that 25% trade, you sell it here, and you save a big amount of money. And you go to a technical target where you can actually try to even buy again, which is on the monthly time frame. I'm going to show you. So let's go back to the EMAs. So I hope that makes sense. I hope this makes perfect sense. If you're a beginner, you might be confused. What did I just say? But if you say you come down and close like this, you buy a little bit, it goes back up for the retest, you sell at the retest, and then it goes down to a technical target, which seems like it's going to be from there to there. And you could be looking for a move down to 4,570, which is a very big drop, unfortunately, for a 70% drop to the downside. So be very careful. Crypto is volatile, but you can use it on your own benefit. That's what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm planning on doing, unless we don't get above 21,000. And let me tell you again, 21,000 is invalidation. Look, the bear flag is going to be invalidated when you go to 21,000. So if that's not going to happen, you're in a big trouble now, honestly. And that's it for this Luna Classic update. Do join the Discord, guys. I want you to be in the Discord. Always be in the Discord. Come to the Discord and give me a heart, okay? I love people who give me 30 hearts. Everything is temporary in the world, okay? But Atom Coins having 30 hearts is going to be permanent. So the link is in the description, and join. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.